Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a charity shop haul. I just want to do one quickly to get back into the flow again. I've been gone for a few weeks. Not that many of you will care, but what has happened is I've got a new job. In real life job. It's doing wonders for my mental health and I'm having such a good time, but getting back into the flow of like obviously doing that and then filming and crafting and stuff. I've been crafting like every evening when I've come home, but it's actually just taking the time to sit down and turn them into videos, isn't it? So I haven't been posting much, but I do have some crafts coming and I've got them kind of like to the point where I can now start posting. I just need to do a little bit of editing on them because I've been filming at the same time as crafting. So if you're wondering where the craft videos are, they are coming. I've been doing some Halloween decor DIYs in the primitive style this year because that's kind of what I'm going for. I've done some little witches heads on sticks, absolutely love them. I actually want to make another one, and I went down to the charity shop this morning and picked up a skirt to finish off the third one because I needed like some dark fabric, and whilst I was there I picked up a few bits and I was like, actually I could do the charity shop haul, so I have that coming. What else has happened since I've been gone? It was my birthday. I turned 30. That was a weird thing. But yeah, it's been my birthday. Loads have been going on in my personal life as well, with like family stuff, and yeah, here I am. That's where I've been. Real life needed me for a second, but I'm back. Here I am. So yeah, charity shop haul today. I should also note this is my new mug, new Cornish ware mug, willow green. What a gorgeous colour this is, like a dark sage green. They used to actually have sage green, but then they got discontinued. So yeah, very happy about this. And I've got Coke Zero in it if anyone's interested. So yeah, like I was saying, this morning I popped down to the charity shops because I needed some black fabric. And this is a wool blend skirt. As you can see, it's actually quite a long one. So lots of fabric on there for me to reuse. And I believe this is the only thing that I actually bought to cut up. I can't find the care label on this or see what brand this was by, but I know it's definitely wool because it kind of makes my skin feel a little bit itchy as soon as I touch it. So there we go. Really nice quality zip on there as well. So I'll be sure to reuse that. And yeah, I can get using this fabric on my witches. Look at that. Can you see it? Gorgeous, gorgeous wool blend. Up there. Really, really nice. Really happy about that. So anyway, like I said, that's probably the only thing I bought to cut up. Next, this is really random, I bought WESTLIFE tour t-shirts. Nice. I have a friend who likes WESTLIFE and I found this 2002 WESTLIFE tour t-shirt in the clearance charity shop. A nice little old Gildan tag on there as well. Can you see that? Such good quality. This was created or £1. I actually looked it up on eBay. I thought, oh yeah, band t-shirts sometimes do well on there, don't they? I think this one here is going for like £35–40, and yeah, I found that for £1, so picked that up for her. Another thing I picked up, this here was actually for myself, and this is quite a sad story actually, but these are the M&S kind of like, what are they called? What is that stuff called? Oh my goodness, it's gone from my brain. You know that soft... I know, I'm just going to look at the care label to tell me what they're made of, won't it? Tencel, it's Tencel, and I haven't even looked at it. There we go. The Tencel trousers. Cargos, and I have a pair of these in like a beigey grey colour from M&S, and I actually bought them in the sale in there once for about 20 quid. But these here were in the charity shop for £4. I was like, oh, the same as the ones I already have that I wear on aeroplanes. So when I go on a flight, I always put the same trousers on, the same jumper. It's just my flight outfit. It's very comfy. I know what all my pockets are, and yeah. Unfortunately though, I got home and I tried them on and I realised that they're bloody 3/4 lengths, aren't they? So they're not a good size on me. They're not flattering at all. Like some people could pull them off so well, but I cannot. So I'm unsure what to do with these really. I might redonate them, maybe just pop them on Vinted or something. But yeah, really nice quality trousers. I paid £4 for these in Oxfam. Really good quality. Just a bummer that they're too short. Did not check that, did I? Next I picked up this cardigan. Look how nice this colour is. I thought it would suit my skin tone well. What do you think? Obviously winter's coming, isn't it? But this one here was a Boden cardi. Size 12, and still got the tag on because I'm yet to wash this pile of stuff that I picked up. As you can see, £3. Absolute bargain. Where did I buy it from? Cancer Research, look. And this cardi is stunning. Has these gorgeous little scalloped edge sleeves. I love a little scallop edge on anything, especially knitwear. Scallop around the top neck part and around the bottom. And I did look this up and this was a ridiculous amount of money new. I think it was £90 in this sale. Like, are you okay? Who's spending that much on a cardigan? Really, I suppose some nice rich people are, or just people who really kind of like value their cardigans and want to keep them forever and ever and ever. But yeah, this is 100% cotton, kind of like crochet one. I love 100% cotton cardi. I absolutely love the colour of this. It's £3. I thought, why not pick it up? Absolute barg. Speaking of another barg, I got a crossbody bag. Look at that. This here is an old M&S, I believe. Yeah, M&S, all full leather, as you can see. I mean, it's a bit worn, it's a bit tattered, but I love the look, like lived in look for leather, to be honest. And yeah, it feels like really good quality. We've got all of the pockets in there. We've got a nice zip pocket. We've got all these pockets on the outside. Look at that. And then we've got this jumbo pocket at the front. Nice. So the reason I bought this, it's quite a mumsy bag, I feel like. I feel like my mum would really enjoy this bag. I've got a few events coming up, some concerts, country concerts. More specifically speaking, Chris Stapleton in October. And I always struggle with bags going to these places. Obviously, you need to be bag searched, and because I am a type 1 diabetic, I have to take all my insulin stuff with me, so I need like a quick access bag. So I thought this one here was quite good. But let me just stand up. Do you see, like, a little bag? Nice. Ooh. I think this is gonna look good with a little dress on and some denim and my cowboy boots. So yeah, I picked that one up. I've been on the hunt for some on Vinted and stuff, but to be honest, they was all quite expensive, and then they were like old Primarky ones. But yeah, this here, just a little used leather one, and M&S, £3. Do you see? £3. Bargain. Absolute bargain. Look at that though. Look at that. Nice zip. What a chunky one. Look at the pockets. I mean, I just love that. Look, put my money in there, keep it all safe. Don't know. I'm pleased with it. I like it. It's fun. £3. Next, picked up this hot frame, a little wooden one. Don't know where it was from originally, but I like it. It's got a little stand. I actually weirdly thought I'd paint Halloween characters on this, like a little witch, some, I don't know, a cat, some stars. I'm in a witchy bit of a mood this year. And I saw this probably about 3 times in the Oxfam. No one was buying it. So I was like, I'm going to buy that. And this was 99p. Absolute bargain. Speaking of bargains, hello. I picked up this. This is probably my favourite find from the lot. See this jumper? Very nice. This was from, I do not know where this is from. Is it Cancer Research as well? £4 for this. This is by a brand called Blue Willies. It might be Blue Willis actually, but I thought it was Blue Willies. Let me know, how do you pronounce this brand? Blue Willies? Is it Blue Willies? Blue Willis? I don't know. I'm calling it Blue Willies because I think I like that sound better. It's just a big jumper, like a men's jumper. Then it's got this denim like collar with these little poppers on. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I bought this because the fabric comes in. It's gorgeous. 100% cotton. I did look at this up as well. Why was these so pricey? I think these were like £180. Like they were selling on eBay, actually selling as well for like £700. So I bought this for £4. I'm gonna wear it. Like, I haven't washed this yet, so excuse me if this is a bit gross, but I did try it on just to have a look in the store and I just really liked it. Like, I will put this in the washer in a minute because I think right now it's a great time to be wearing this. Like, imagine this on with some leggings. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love a little collar, I do. Like, why is this so cute that you could do it up? Oh, a cozy little number under it. Pop it open. I don't know. I really like it. It's huge. I think it's a men's extra large, a men's large. Don't know. Roll up the sleeves. I think it's a bit of a vibe. Look at this. Very Rory Gilmore inspired, Gilmore Girls. Just what a little cozy number. What a babe. I think with some dungarees on as well, this could be cute. But yeah, very happy with that. Speaking of dungarees, I bought these. I showed these on my Instagram really quickly one evening while I was wearing my dressing gown in a reel. But these boho kind of like short dungarees. Gonna put these away for the summer now because let's face it, it's well and truly gone. But I love these. I've had my eye on this pair for a while and they came up for £3 on there, so I thought that was a bargain. Absolutely gorgeous. On there, I really like them, love those. And then the last kind of couple of things I've got to show you, homeware bits. I found one, the waste paper basket bin. I wanted 2 of these and I found one. This one here is just going to go in my bedroom. I would have preferred it a little bit less yellow, but it's fine, it doesn't matter. It will get used. I might even spray this a different colour because the one we've got in our bedroom at the moment is just like a bought one anyway, which I bought about 10 years ago, and that one was sprayed grey. It's really kind of not great. It's all unraveling, which is why I needed another one, and I'd rather buy these sort of bins, especially second hand, rather than plastic ones that would just end up in landfill, won't they? So yeah, rescued this one from the treasure, £3. I do have my eyes peeled for another one for in this room especially, because we don't actually have a bin in here, believe it or not. Bit odd, I know. Then last but not least, this little lantern. Isn't that nice? I thought that goes with like the primitive kind of Halloweeny spooky vibes. The stars on there, and this here was 50p from I don't know where that was from actually. The Animal Hospital charity, I think, over in the Pool Industrial Estate. I bought this a couple of weeks ago. I accidentally left it at my mum's house, and yeah, just come home with me. But yeah, 50p for that one. I really like it. I don't know where originally this was from. If anyone knows, I'm sure it wasn't anywhere too spectacular, but I really like that, and I think that would be a bit of fun with like a candle in or something. I don't know, I haven't thought about it yet, but I just thought that matches like my Halloween decor vibe that I'm going for, the primitive stuff. So yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. Oh look, I've still got this jumper on. Yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to stay tuned for my crafts, then definitely stay tuned for that, because I'm going to go up and start filming that witchy one today. So the witch heads will definitely be up tomorrow, and hopefully some more throughout the week as well. I feel a bit self-conscious because I'm making so many things for my actual house that I'm like, people are going to get fed up with me just doing all these little crafts. And I'm also trying to make more patterns and stuff for my shop at the same time, and I don't want it to feel spammy, if you know what I mean. So if it does, I apologise, but I think I should just keep sharing, because then if people want to watch it, they can, and if they don't have to click on it, do they? I don't know. But I'm gonna go do that now. So hopefully you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for tuning in, joining me on today's video, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye.